This is the sixth and final in a series of 6 video explainers to introduce the Making It Safe workshop, which can be held in person or online. The Making It Safe workshop is a women-only workshop which I researched and designed. It brings women together to inspire strategies against sexual harassment. The full-day workshop explores 6 themes which you can find in the notes below. This video explains theme 6, learnings and action. In this final part, we start to integrate all the insights you gain from the workshop into learnings and action steps so that you have a clear idea about what you will do or do differently the next time a man tries to harass you or another woman. We ask questions like, what have you learned from this workshop? And what will you be doing next to make it safe for yourself and others? We also explore what would work for you and what wouldn't work, and when wouldn't it work? And finally, what could you try to see if it works? Participants from previous workshops committed themselves to these actions. If I'm alone, I will shout. I will check in with the other woman by asking, "Are you okay?" or give her a look to let her know I see her. I will verbalize my discomfort. I will take martial arts classes so I can travel more confidently on my own. Before we end the workshop, we also ask, what strategies have you got for self-care after an incident? And what difference does it make to share your experience with others? By the end of this final thematic exploration, you will be even clearer about what's working with your current strategies and what other strategies you might adopt against sexual harassment. And because the workshop is like a fire drill, by the end of the workshop, you will leave with more ideas, inspiration, and confidence, and be ready to act, even when you are frightened, to make places and relationships safe for yourself and others. To find out more about this women-only workshop, click on the link below. And if you want to be inspired to have more and better strategies against sexual harassment, register now before the early bird prize expires.